Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace your rows as columns or columns as rows. So we have two ways to do it. So one is a manual way and then another one is a formula which is called as transpose. So which actually transposes the columns with rows or rows with columns. So for that, so let's say I have this dump with me. Select this dump and copy it, and then when you're pasting, take a right click, and then it has a two option. One is paste, which is simple paste, and then is another option called paste special. Now you have here option called transposed. If you click on it, the names are the rows are converted as columns and the rows as converted as a column. So 101 was here, but now it is here. So this is how you can transpose the rows versus columns. There is another way where you can use this formula transpose and then select the entire section which you want to change and then click on it. So you'll get the same result. Let me adjust the term. Okay, now it looks cool. So as you can see, it is transposed. So this is how you can replace your rows with columns, and also you can use transpose formula, which is very easy formula. You can always use it when you want to quickly change the rows into columns. So this is the easier way you can do it. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching.